Now, speaking of the sound effect torture, I have the tones, but however, there are two tones that annoy me. One sound effect that really annoyed me as a kid, it's probably going back to that, I don't know what this is, game shows. Now I'm thinking, I did a rant on game shows. Man, the top ones only. Well, at least I conquered my fear. After all, I just don't want to do this. But there's a game show I really hate the most. But at least I conquered my fear. That is, I only had to play the correct ones. Also, the really, really first ones. You know, it sounds different. What do I even expect? Good thing those are not bothering me. But still, how can I even regret? Well, there's one game show I have to say, but I hate to say it. It's called Wheel of Fortune. But this is like, oh man, this fucking sucks. Okay, I don't know where that swear word came from, but it's really common. I don't even know how much damage you got. Now, there's one sound effect I really hate the most on that game show, only for syndicated one. It's just, oh man, I gotta scratch myself. It's gonna be a long time. Well, you took like a season and a half just to get that stupid fucking Bankrupt. You know, the sound effect. Why did you take a long time? You only started for one good season. That's it, from the first era. Then the syndicated era was my worst enemy of all time. Stupid slide whistle. The normal one is something, but the lower pitch one, why do they have to lower the pitch for some odd reason, giving it look like it sounded like an emergency vehicle, a police vehicle, an ambulance, fire truck. I don't know what that is. Man, it just gives me like police vehicles are like either a van, car, or even the motorcycle. You name all those things. Well, at least, tell you what, there is something fishy about this. I'm suffering from this Wheel of Fortune torture. You know, I had to cry, simply. Didn't good screaming, no swearing, no thing. Just simple crying. At least my parents cheered me up. Well, I had to play it all by myself, occasionally. There's rarely, extremely rarely, I handle it. But that aside, why can't I even have to handle this? In my 2018, close to the summer time, I had to abandon Wheel of Fortune at every game show forever. And that took effect clearly in the start of the 2020, you know? That's when I was enemy. Yo, last chance. What do I even expect? There's even a radio station that is on a sports radio, FM. 97.9, I'm thinking. But at least they did play it. That made me upset. Now, one teacher really is scummy. It's like they have to punish me, you know? I hate them. I made a killing threat onto this radio thread. But I ended up doing, like, I will sue them for how much United States bucks. At least they apologize. So, this stupid threat should not even work. And plus, I could even get fined, warning, or just get prison time. Because I know I was a minor at the time. Age 13, I'm guessing. Well, this is something. I'm just gonna get to hell with that. This is like, hell, I'm gonna raise my middle fingers up like this. Extending the middle fingers like this. Something like that. I just don't piss off. I just get it. No. I don't want to scream any type of bad word. Ha! Even if just gonna play sound effect. Just like the audience will groan. The worst sound effect other than that was the buzzer sound. And for any wrong letter, or just wrong solve, or took long enough. You just took long enough, you know? Ain't no kidding. It's like Family Feud torture. Now, I'll love it then. Price is Right, Let's Make a Deal, Jeopardy, those are the top 5. It was all came from CBS. 2 of them probably the main network revival, and one of them was a former 20th Century Fox television distributor, and Jeopardy and Wheel of Fortune are current CBS television distribution of Paramount. And it's like Sony Pictures. The only reason I like Sony Pictures is because of like short films from the past. It's just like, when is she gone? Now, I told him, don't play this. Well, at least I can confirm my fear after all these years. Well, it's so long. Now, I'm waiting on for the Bankrupt sound effect when I am old. I am old enough to hear that Bankrupt sound effect without any going insane or getting annoyed. That's all. Bothered. Just don't mess with me. That's all. You can't make me. Bribe me all you want. I just can't wait for some torture. Any more than that, I'm going straight screaming, growling, what do you name it? Like you have to do. Can't wait to hear it again. As an adult, I can't wait to hear it. I can't wait. Let's hope you get the beasts. The beasts or the best? Both of them, I'm guessing. Let's help you do something about it. When I hear a modern Wheel of Fortune sound effect from like the syndicated era since like 1989 or something like that, it's gotta be since 1989 of the year, and it's got into the 2000s and the 2010s. I can't stand Wheel of Fortune in the 2020s. Man, it got to be sucking. I don't know why. I don't know if the 20th anniversary is ruined. Man, I can't stand it. How it sucks to be. Who knows how? That's enough talking. I hope that's all gotta be the listens of you.